Welcome back to DECOLOVA, where beautiful homes begin with creative ideas and timeless inspiration. Today, we're exploring 10 beautiful thrift store makeovers that prove you don't need a large budget to create a charming and elegant home. Throughout this video, you'll discover how forgotten treasures can be transformed into stunning shabby chic decorations perfect for the summer season. From weathered furniture to vintage accessories, each makeover celebrates the beauty of imperfection, soft colors, and thoughtful styling. If you love decorating with character, warmth, and affordability, you're going to find plenty of inspiration in today's collection. Our first makeover begins with a small wooden side table that looked worn, scratched, and outdated when discovered at a local thrift store. Instead of seeing flaws, imagine seeing possibilities hidden beneath years of use. After gentle sanding and a fresh coat of soft ivory chalk paint, the table takes on an entirely new personality. Distressed edges reveal subtle hints of the original wood, adding depth and vintage charm. Styled beside a cozy armchair with fresh summer flowers and delicate lace accents, this once-forgotten piece becomes a beautiful focal point that perfectly captures the essence of shabby chic decorating. Few thrift store finds offer as much decorating potential as an old mirror. In this makeover, a plain wooden framed mirror is transformed into an elegant cottage-inspired accent. The frame is painted in a soft antique white finish and lightly distressed to create the appearance of age and character. Small floral embellishments and delicate decorative details elevate the mirror even further. When placed above a vintage console table, it reflects natural sunlight throughout the room, making the space feel brighter and larger. The result is a graceful statement piece that brings romance and sophistication to any summer interior. Vintage teacups often appear in thrift stores for just a few dollars, yet they hold tremendous decorative potential. Rather than storing them away in a cabinet, these delicate pieces can be transformed into charming seasonal displays. Filled with miniature floral arrangements, dried lavender, or even tiny succulents, each cup becomes a decorative accent that adds personality and elegance. Arranged together on a tray or displayed on open shelving, they create layers of visual interest. Their intricate patterns and faded pastel colors perfectly complement the soft, nostalgic atmosphere that defines shabby chic summer decorating. An old wooden chair may appear tired and neglected at first glance, but with a little creativity, it can become one of the most beautiful pieces in a room. This makeover starts with cleaning and refinishing the frame in a soft cream color. The seat cushion is then reupholstered using floral fabric featuring delicate summer-inspired patterns. The combination of distressed paint and fresh upholstery creates a lovely balance between old and new. Positioned in a reading corner or bedroom, the chair becomes more than furniture. It becomes a decorative feature that tells a story while adding comfort and charm. Thrift stores are often filled with picture frames waiting for a second chance. In this makeover, mismatched frames are collected and unified using a consistent shabby chic color palette. Soft whites, pale blush tones, and lightly distressed finishes create a cohesive collection that feels elegant and intentional. Instead of traditional artwork, some frames showcase pressed flowers, vintage postcards, or botanical prints inspired by summer gardens. Grouped together on a gallery wall, they create an eye-catching display that adds texture, history, and personality. This simple project demonstrates how affordable decorating can have a surprisingly luxurious appearance. Large furniture makeovers can dramatically transform a room, and this thrifted dresser is a perfect example. Once covered in dark, dated finishes, it is completely refreshed with soft pastel paint and charming vintage hardware. The drawers glide smoothly after restoration, while subtle distressing enhances the piece's character. Styled with woven baskets, fresh flowers, and decorative books, the dresser becomes a stunning centerpiece in a bedroom or entryway. Beyond its visual appeal, it offers practical storage while maintaining the relaxed elegance associated with shabby chic interiors. Sometimes the most overlooked pieces become the most beautiful. Storage solutions don't have to sacrifice beauty. Thrifted baskets are among the easiest and most versatile finds for summer decorating. Whether made from wicker, rattan, or natural woven fibers, these baskets bring texture and warmth into a space. After a simple cleaning and perhaps a touch of whitewashing, they can be used to organize blankets, magazines, gardening supplies, or decorative pillows. Arranged thoughtfully throughout the home, they contribute to a relaxed cottage-inspired atmosphere while keeping everyday items neatly stored. Their natural appearance complements shabby chic interiors perfectly, creating a home that feels both functional and inviting. One of the most overlooked treasures in thrift stores is the humble serving tray. Often hidden beneath stacks of household items, these pieces can become stunning decorative accents with just a little imagination. In this makeover, an old metal tray receives a fresh shabby chic update with soft white paint and lightly distressed details. Once completed, it serves as the perfect foundation for displaying candles, fresh flowers, vintage books, and delicate porcelain pieces. Positioned on a coffee table or dining table, the tray helps organize decorative items while creating a polished and curated appearance. It proves that even the simplest thrift store finds can bring elegance and structure to summer decorating. Vintage window shutters possess a character that new decor items often struggle to replicate. Their weathered surfaces, faded finishes, and architectural details instantly add depth to a room. In this transformation, a pair of thrifted shutters is cleaned, lightly refinished, and mounted on a wall as decorative art. Small wreaths, floral arrangements, and seasonal greenery are added to enhance their cottage-inspired appeal. The shutters create a beautiful backdrop that feels collected over time rather than purchased all at once. This type of decorating adds authenticity and warmth, helping a home feel welcoming and full of personality throughout the summer season. Summer decorating isn't limited to indoor spaces. Thrift stores often offer wonderful opportunities to create charming outdoor retreats as well. In this makeover, several inexpensive items, including a vintage watering can, an old wooden crate, and a decorative plant stand, are combined to create a picturesque garden corner. Fresh flowers spill from containers while climbing greenery softens the arrangement. The weathered finishes blend naturally with the outdoor environment, creating a relaxed and romantic atmosphere. Whether placed on a porch, patio, or small balcony, these thoughtfully styled pieces demonstrate how affordable treasures can transform ordinary outdoor areas into enchanting summer escapes. Every dining table deserves a centerpiece that captures the spirit of the season. Instead of purchasing expensive decorations, this makeover uses several thrifted pieces to create an elegant display. A vintage wooden box serves as the foundation, while antique bottles, fresh flowers, and delicate greenery add height and texture. Soft pastel colors enhance the shabby chic aesthetic while maintaining a light and airy appearance suitable for summer. The arrangement feels effortless yet sophisticated, making it perfect for casual family dinners or special gatherings with friends. Sometimes the most memorable decorating ideas come from combining simple objects in creative ways. A beautifully decorated home often comes together through small details rather than large purchases. Thrift stores are filled with decorative accessories that can help complete a shabby chic design story. Vintage clocks, porcelain figurines, lace runners, ceramic pitchers, and decorative books all contribute layers of character and charm. In this makeover, carefully selected accessories are grouped together using a consistent color palette of creams, soft pinks, and muted greens. The result feels cohesive rather than cluttered. These finishing touches create visual interest throughout the home and help every room feel thoughtfully designed without requiring a significant decorating budget. Lighting has the power to completely change the mood of a room, and our final makeover focuses on creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A thrifted table lamp with an outdated finish is transformed through paint, gentle distressing, and a beautiful new fabric lampshade. The updated design perfectly complements the surrounding shabby chic decor while adding both function and elegance. When illuminated in the evening, the lamp casts a soft, welcoming glow that highlights textures, colors, and decorative details throughout the room. This simple transformation reminds us that beautiful lighting is often the finishing touch that makes a space feel complete. As we've seen throughout these 10 beautiful thrift store makeovers, creating a stylish and inviting home doesn't require an unlimited budget. The true magic of shabby chic decorating comes from seeing potential where others might only see age or wear. With a little creativity, patience, and imagination, ordinary thrift store finds can become extraordinary decorative treasures filled with charm and personality. Here at DECOLOVA, we believe that every home can reflect beauty, comfort, and individuality regardless of budget. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring decorating journey. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite makeover in the comments.